you're petite and you're looking for a pair of colorful pants or jeans to add to your fall wardrobe, I have 4 different options to share with you in today's post. 4'10", I have a 25-inch ankle inseam and a 27.5 to 28-inch full-length inseam, and I'm going to show you how all 4 of these fit me without any alterations. Cropped wide leg style from Amazon that comes in this bright, bold orange color, also comes in pink, and then just your classic denim washes. I'm wearing these here in a size extra small. I think they fit me well overall. Just to compare that, once again, I typically wear a size 00 24. They are a little bit loose on me right here at the rise where these front pockets meet the leg of the jeans. These jeans are 98% cotton, 2% elastane, so they are a comfortable, stretchy pair. They have a 10-inch rise, they have a 26-inch inseam, which could be cropped on you depending on your frame, or it could be a nice full length. I think overall for a well-priced pair of pants, these are a nice option. They do loosen and stretch a little bit with wear, and then I think the pocket placement in the back overall is pretty well proportioned. The Lizzie pants from J. Crew Factory have been around for quite a few seasons. These are a slim wide leg style. They have 2 patch pockets here in the front, and then they have square pockets in the back, which I think are overall nicely placed. In petite sizing, these have a 10-inch rise. They have a 28-inch inseam, which I can wear with a little bunching with flats, but they also work really nicely with a low heel and boots as you go into the fall and winter season. They are a blend of cotton, linen, viscose, and a little bit of elastane in there also, which gives them a very lightweight, stretchy feel. These do loosen up a little bit with wear. I'm wearing them here in petite 24, which would be my true size. There is a little bit of pulling here across the hips, which is not uncommon in this style that has these pockets on the front on my frame, but since they loosen up with wear, I'm staying true to size with this pair. Spanx cropped easy flare pants are a stretch twill style with a cropped flare leg. If you are the exact same size as me, these are not a perfect fit for me, but I do think that they could be a great option for some of my other petite friends, so that's why I went ahead and included them in this roundup. The reason they're not a perfect fit for me, I'm wearing them here in petite extra small, and I find these to just be a little bit larger than my true size. So my true size is typically a 00 24. These fit a little more like a size 0 in extra small. In petite sizing, they have an 11.5-inch rise. They have a 25-inch inseam. Excellent inseam, especially if you're someone that has a 25-inch to the floor inseam. I think these would be a really nice full-length option, and that 11-inch rise should still be well proportioned for your frame if you have a 25-inch inseam to the floor like this. These pants have a good amount of stretch to them. They hold you in. If you have any experience with Spanx in general, all of their pieces are designed to kind of hold you in and slim your figure, and I think these do a nice job of that. They do come in other color options as well. If you don't like this mint green, I believe there are maybe 4 other color options, including some neutral ones like black and navy. The slim wide leg jeans from J. Crew are one of my personal favorites when it comes to a pair of wide leg jeans because they have that nice slim fit. Last week I shared a crop style with you, and so this is the true full-length option. In petite sizing, these have a 10-inch rise, and they have a 28.5-inch inseam. The rise does not match the rise that's given on the brand website, so just keep that in mind. This 28.5-inch inseam is one that I personally need to wear with a low heel. It'll be nice going into fall and winter, pairing these with a pair of boots. The jeans are 99% cotton, 1% elastane. I'm wearing them here in my true size. They are a little bit snug here across my hips, so there is a little bit of pulling there, and there is a little bit of looseness at my waist. I am going to stick with my true size because I find that the vast majority of jeans are going to loosen just a little bit with wear. Comfortable, stretchy, they hold you in nicely, and I think that the pockets are very well placed in the back as well. The links to shop can be found in the description below, along with a link to my blog post where you can find outfit photos, written descriptions, and links to shop. If you'd like to see more of my petite-friendly content, be sure to follow my blog at pumpsandpushups.com. Follow me on socials for daily content. And if you'd like to see more of my long videos here, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel.